exhausting, and your character's so nuts in that movie. Do you miss doing that kind of stuff?
You know, not necessarily.
To do, you know, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's
the vibration more than, I mean, to a great extent, you know. I mean, you can talk to me, I can talk to you. There's a vibration, but yeah. Music is just, especially if you turn it up. When you turn music up, you know, when it gets louder.
Poker. I like to play poker. Smelling my fingers.
Well, and I think that
don't implode on me now.
But do you hang out with the pets?
When I go to her house, I hang out with 6 of them, and then there's one puppy that's
right in there.
Right into the tippy.
It was known. There was no guarantees, but working at a Red Lobster.
Tell me about that.
Can you? Because I'm the head kid, you know, and the Duke swoops in there and breaks us up.
And I communicate with people, you know.
Comedy these days, where you really can't joke about anything, and if you do, you
really have a degree as a doctor. Where'd you get your training?
Hey,
seriously.
At this point, it doesn't.
Perception. I got into composing and arranging and music.
You read it?
I have no idea.
my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.